welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing great. I am here eating a delicious Asian chopped salad that I bought from the 99, and then as soon as I'm done here, I am gonna take you guys to the 99-cent only store with me so you guys could see what we find. And this is where I buy my salads. I just like to add two things to it, and it is so good and it's so easy and fast for when I'm on the run or I just have things to do. It's just really easy to put together and have a delicious little lunch. So anyways, I'm just gonna go ahead and finish this up and then we're gonna head to the 99. And also stay tuned because at the end I'm gonna announce something that you guys are gonna want to listen for, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so my announcement is that I'm gonna be doing a small giveaway, and I'm gonna show you guys the items that I'm gonna include in this giveaway. And this is just a because giveaway. I appreciate you guys so much, and I just want to give back a little. And with that being said, I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna include, and then I'll give you guys the details for the giveaway after I show you guys. I've seen a lot of the people that I follow here on YouTube. They've been doing the like pocket letters, and I forgot what the other ones are called, the dex cards or index card, but they are so cute. And I love to watch It's a Deal because she is just so creative. She does a whole bunch of little crafts, and it's just so pretty. And everyone, like I said, I've seen a lot of people doing like the pocket letters right now. So when I saw these items, I just had to get them, and I've been wanting to get into that, but I just haven't started. So when I saw them, I grabbed them, and then I thought, well, I'm just gonna do a giveaway. So if you guys are into crafting, scrapbooks, you know, cards, or Valentine's cards, even if you guys want to make your own Valentine's cards, this is gonna be perfect for you guys. And I'm probably gonna end this giveaway on the 9th, so that's like 5 days from now, so that I can send it out and it could be there hopefully before Valentine's, if you guys do plan on doing your own Valentine's Day cards. But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna show you guys what I got. So I saw a lot of these stickers, and I decided to pick one of them up. They did have different colors as well, but I thought the white one would be perfect and just, you know, color neutral. And this has a little pearl in the center, which I loved. And this actually reminded me of Kathy from Kathy's Favorite Things. She loves pearls, so I thought if she wins, that would be perfect for her. And then I also picked these two up, which they also have pearls in the center, and these are so pretty. I could picture you guys's pocket letters with those, and I think it's just so cute. And then I saw this, and I thought it would make perfect borders, like little outlines, so I picked this one up, and it's decorative string, and it's in gold, so I got that. And this is included in the giveaway, by the way. And then this pen works so good. I got this one at Dollar Tree, and I've been looking for more because I have this one and the gold one, and I love them. These are so good on everything and anything, and they are really good. So I did find another pink one. Then I've also found this, which I thought was so cute, and I've looked for more, and I was able to find another one, but this one got a little messed up, so I'm gonna keep this one. And these are pens and highlighters. So the lipstick is actually a pen, and then the nail polish is highlighters. And I thought that was so cute. And these aren't for crafting. I mean, you could use the pens and highlighters for crafting or craft books, but I thought it was just so cute, so I am gonna include this one in there as well. And then I also found these, and I saw Native's Family channel, and she opened this up, and it has a lot of different papers in there, cardstock paper, and just different textures and looks. And so I thought this would be absolutely perfect for those pocket letters, or just crafting, or even the Cricut. You could cut something out with these little pieces of paper, and they would look so pretty. And let me see if I could try to get more of the what's in there. They have that pretty red and pretty like fuchsia color, and then they have that texture white. So I think this is perfect for crafting as well, and I'm gonna include this one. This has it doesn't say how many pieces it has, but it has a lot. Look at that stack. Look at that stack of papers. It doesn't look like a lot through the camera, but it's a lot of pieces in there. So I'm gonna include that as well. Then I'm also gonna include this little notebook. It says Choose Joy, and this is by Jot, and it has 180 sheets. So I'm gonna include that. And then just one more thing, I'm gonna include this little frame, which I think is so pretty, and it would be the last thing that I include on my giveaway. So I'm gonna include all these items, and if you are interested in entering, I have 3 rules. Of course, you have to be subscribed to my channel, you have to like this video, and then the third one is comment down below something about Valentine's, whether it's something you're gonna do, something you're gonna make, if you're gonna go out, if you were born on Valentine's Day, something about Valentine's. Just include the word Valentine in there, and I'll know that you want to enter in my giveaway. And that is it. I will be announcing the winner on the 9th. So February 9th, I'll be announcing who the winner is, and hopefully getting it out, shipping it out, so that you guys do get it before Valentine's Day. And that is all. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you aren't, and also turn on your post notification bell so you guys do get notified when I post new videos. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching.